Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Government bans beach parties till 5th January. Says it's better to be safe than to be dead. Information and Broadcasting Ministry to come up with protocol on media coverage, says Anand Sharma. Police action of raiding Madrasa condemned. And Francisco Clement wins 8th All Goa Mini Marathon race for second time. Now the news in detail. Open beach parties will not be allowed from 23rd December to 5th of January in Goa. Goa government took this decision in a high-level meeting held in Panji at CM's official residence. This comes as a bad news for tourists visiting Goa, as beach parties are major attraction during Christmas and New Year.
जी पावलां उबारल्यात ताका गोंयचे नागरीक आनी पर्यटक पूर्ण पाठिंबो दितले. पुलिसांनी केल्ली नाकाबंदी, रोड ब्लॉक्स, चेकिंग ऑफ व्हेइकल्स, व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ आउटसाइडर्स, व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ टेनंट्स हाका लागून थोडीफार लोकांची अडचण जावंक शकता. पूण हाचे फाटल्यान प्रत्येक मनशाची सुरक्षेचो संबंध आसा हे प्रत्येक नागरिकांक समजुपाक जाय.
After this speech of Chief Minister on Liberation Day, a high-level security meeting was held in Panji, where it was decided that open beach parties will not be allowed in Goa from 23rd December to 5th January. Home Minister Ravi Naik, Chief Secretary J.P. Singh, IGP Kishan Kumar and other senior level officials were present for the meeting. Chief Minister announced the decision after the meeting.
Taking into consideration all the aspects, open beach parties, I am again using a word, open beach parties shall not be allowed to be conducted. Whatever other parties are going on in the hotels, in the clubs or organized various places, those parties shall not be any problem. So whatever parties are held by the hotels within their premises, our only guidelines, they will put some guidelines to them saying that they should have an enclosure, proper enclosure, and they should access the entry and exit points properly.
Chief Minister maintained that the state is ready to fight terror and all security arrangements are in place for Christmas and New Year. But government does not want to take any risk.
I had written a letter to the Home Minister some time back saying that to retain the two companies which are existing during International Film Festival to be retained till 5th or 10th of January.
Because we have less police force.
And we said that additional 2 or 3 they may send us. That depending upon their condition, they will send us. If they send us, we welcome them. If they don't send us, we are prepared. We have geared up with our existing forces and these two companies. But if they send us additional forces, it will be more better because we can deploy them at strategic locations and all that.
Yeah, okay.
Digambar Kamath once again asked the people to cooperate with the police to ensure security.
We won't take any chances, and that is why I said in my speech that nakabandis will be there, road blockades will be there, verification of identities will be there.
That is routine.
People have to cooperate with us. Because it is in their interest only, everybody. It is in their own interest.
People related to tourism industry reacted like this.
I think this should have a very heavy, this will the hotel industry as such would have to pay a very heavy price. Considering the threat perception, I think the government is right in making this decision. But at the same time, the hospitality industry, the safety parameters have to be looked into.
From the security aspects, I think they have done the right thing by banning it on the beach. Whereas all parties which have been organized by hotels, the beach resorts, open air parties inside are going on. Stopping parties on the beach, I don't think that will have any effect on the tourism.
Tourists who are in Goa for Christmas and New Year bash expressed their views.
If there's a bomb and there's a party, what they're going to do is stampede. I rather prefer more safety than the parties. That's my view.
The same as us come here to Goa to celebrate Christmas and New Year. And if there is a ban on Christmas and New Year festivities, what are we going to do? Where will we go? We need the fiestas to carry on, the festivities to carry on. And we should not let terrorism take over our holidays.
Just unbelievable, all these people have come to Goa. They come for the beach parties and no beach parties. That is unbelievable. It's just not real. It's just not real.
We come here every year for the new year, and this is the part that we really enjoy. And now there's going to be no more beach parties, we might think twice about coming again. And the shack owners are very good, and they're not making any money, and it's not fair to them.
This is how people of Goa reacted to the terror threat to the state.
और स्टेट के अलावा यहाँ पर काफ़ी सुरक्षा है.
31st पर्यंत आमच्या गोंयाचेर कितें तरी हल्लो जावपाची शक्यता आसाची आनी त्या मुळे गव्हर्मेंटान पावलां उचललेलीं आसा. प्रत्येक बीच सायड किंवा सगळे हॉटेल्स किंवा अशे पंचवीस तारखेर हॉटेल आसा थंय तेंच्यांनी सेक्युरिटी वाडयलेली आसा. पुलीस आमचे प्रोटेक्शन करता ते भशेन दिसता आमी सेफ आसा कशें अशें. पूण तरी पूण आमचे लोक जितलो आतां फ्रिडम भोंवता सामको ओपनली भोंवता तेजेर कोता आमी सेफ आहा म्हणून.
गोवा टेररिस्टा पासून खूब सुरक्षीत आहा. आमकां कांयच धोका ना तेंच्या पासून. फक्त हांगा जे रुमर पडल्या की टुरिजम पिड्यार करपाची आनी कांयच ना.
Although government has taken this decision because of the terror threat to the state, the ban on open beach parties is definitely going to affect the spirit of the tourists who are planning to visit Goa for Christmas and New Year. Our reporters in Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Rakesh Kandolkar, and in Kalangut, Manoj Arolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.